Hey y'all, I'm Chef Jolie and welcome to my channel. If you're part of the Foodie Family, that means you are true to this and you ain't new to this, so welcome back. Today, y'all going to work with me again, but it's a slightly different POV. You're going to get to go along with me from start to finish to one of our full service catering events. So come on, buckle up, get your coat, get your hat, get your shoes. Let's ride out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you know every time I upload a video. And remember to comment, like, share too. Let's go. All right, Foodie Family, let's pull up to our culinary studio and let's pop into the office real quick. There's Chef Alex. I'm sitting there in the office with the team, and Asael is here too. We're just getting some admin work done before it's time to head over to tonight's event. But you know where the magic is happening, right? It's happening in the kitchen. The kitchen team is hard at work making sure that all of the food is perfect for tonight's event. Tonight we've got a mashed potato bar, we've got some jerk chicken skewers, we got orange and ginger beef skewers. So much good food tonight. I can't wait till you all see it come together. But for now, it's time to put in that work, baby, behind the scenes. All right, here is Beatrice wrapping up our jalapeno cornbread muffins. Y'all, have you ever had one of our jalapeno cornbread muffins? They are literally to die for. Okay, looks like the hot food's coming out. They're the orange and ginger beef skewers. It is time to get ready to pack those up. And I had to pop into the kitchen real quick just to taste this sauce to make sure that it was amazing. And it was. Did you have any doubt? But no, it's time to start packing up all of the food and getting it wrapped up and then transporting it into our hot boxes so that the food can arrive to the venue hot and fresh. I'm telling y'all, so many people, when they hear how much it costs to cater events, they're like, it costs what? I could go to the store and buy the food myself. And a lot of times I want to say, well, do that. Why don't you do that? No, I'm just playing. Or am I? But no, seriously, there's so much that goes into it other than just buying the food. Knowing how to wrap the food so that it stays moist, so that it stays hot, and knowing how to transport it so that it looks amazing when it arrives to the venue. Those are our veggie stuffed mushrooms. Those are amazing too. Okay, once all the hot food is out of the ovens, it is time to get it into the hot box, and then we're going to focus on all of the cold foods that we need to bring along with us as well. So we also, with the cold food, we wrap everything, we label everything so that when we arrive at the venue, it is not a big mess trying to figure out where everything is. It's systems and processes, honey. Systems and processes. That's what you're paying a professional for. The last thing that we do before we pull off is one more check. Check the food once we are about to put it on the van, just so that we make sure that everything is there and we get 2 signatures and it's time to ride out. It's time to ride out. All right, come on, y'all. Let's head to the venue. Foodie Family, we have arrived at the location, and guess what? Now we have to unpack all of the items that we just packed up. But hey, it's a part of the catering lifestyle. If you know, you know. But we love what we do. So we have 2 teams, well, really 3 teams. The back of the house team is our culinary team. They are going to be cooking food back there, doing appetizers, and the front of the house will be setting up our food displays, setting linen on tables. And then the third team is the bar team. The bar team, they're going to be the ones responsible for getting that party lit, putting the ice on the beer and the wine and all of that good stuff to keep you non-thirsty at the party. Okay, looks like the front of the house team has all the equipment in place, and now it is just time for all that food that you just saw that the culinary team has prepared to go out for the guests to eat. And you know what? We really do love what we do. That's why you see us smiling and having a good time with each other, because food makes people happy. It's kind of like a universal language. So check it out, y'all. When I'm at an event, I am there in two capacities. As the executive chef and owner of the company, I am making sure that the food is presented in the way that I've intended it to be. I'm making sure that it tastes the way that I've intended it to taste. But I am also having the opportunity to shake hands and kiss babies, pretty much. Make sure that the guests are happy, make sure that the host is happy. That is my purpose that I'm serving there, and I really love to do it, y'all. I really love what I do, and you should too. Finally, all the food is just about in place, and I am just checking everything out, looking at, just those last finishing touches. And I cannot wait until the guests get a chance to come in and see what we have prepared for them. This is my favorite part right here. This has got to be my favorite part, the reveal. In addition to the beautiful food station that we've set up, we also pass appetizers. Well, we actually call them small bites, but look at the team back there. Deep frying, searing, and putting hot food on the plate right there before you eat it. No cold, stale catering food over here. If you want hot, fresh, and the best, you know who to call. Low Country Cuisine. All right, Foodie Family. Whew, I'm tired just watching us work. But no, seriously, thank you for hanging out with me and Team LCQ. And I hope you enjoyed a behind-the-scenes look from start to finish of a full-service catering event. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this here channel. And don't forget to turn on those notifications. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you liked, and make sure and share the videos too. All right, I'll check y'all next time. Happy holidays.